So hey friends, welcome back to the channel, Creating with Sarah. So today's video, I have for you a little Dollar Tree haul, but these are some things that I have in mind for faith planning, making some healthy habits, getting your scripture or verses for the day, memorizing them, and I thought this would be a fun creative way to share with you. So I'm just going to share with you today in this video some supplies, and then I'm going to work on it later, and then I'll come back and share with you what it looks like in my office. So if this is something that interests you, then keep on watching. Welcome back. I'm Sarah, all things creating, planning, keeping things fun and functional here for you. So today, again, I have a Dollar Tree haul, some things that inspired me to hopefully turn out right. So I was in Dollar Tree and I found these cork bulletin boards. And of course, they're not the best quality, but I feel like this is something that you probably get somewhere else that would cost you a little more, but this was a lot cheaper. And they had color ones with like velvet. Is it velvet? Some type of fabric. I don't know the exact name for it. Maybe it's not velvet, but it's like that craft felt. Is it felt? Felt fabric that you used as a kid to make crafts with. So they had colored of those. Okay, so I just went with the plain ones. I had two because I just thought two would look nice on my wall, and they have these already built in like little hanging strings that you can use, but maybe you have a different way to put them on the wall. I'm probably just going to use this, to be quite honest with you, and just hang them. So what I thought would be fun is kind of color coding my verses. So like verses, like, I have, let me just pull it here on my cart. For my highlight Bible study system, each color that I use to highlight my Bible, represents something. So some of them are multiple things. So yellow is command and God's character. Blue is blessings, faith, and I kind of use it as promises. Pink or red is Jesus. Anything that Jesus has said is in red, and then love is in red or pink. And then purple is strength and forgiveness. Orange is warning and sin. And then green is creation and healing. And also with creation is like right now I'm reading in Genesis, so anything that sticks out to me that's part of God's plan or creation is what I highlight in green, or like character studies and something like that. I felt like I wanted to put it all in one color, so I just stuck with green. Those are the only colors that I have right now as far as like Bible highlighters, and I like gel. I love using gel. I know there's like a preference out there. People don't really like gel Bible highlighters. I really do. I just think it's like simple and easy. And yeah, that's my go-to. So anyways, I use this, and I just thought that maybe and I thought I would share this in case you were looking for some inspiration, or you wanted to be more motivated in your verses or scripture. And so Dollar Tree has these, so hopefully you can find them. And then they have like these new transparent sticky notes. I didn't buy all the colors. I'll put in a photo, but they have more colors than these. These are going to be more for my planning and planner setups. I love planner setups by seasons or moods, so I'm kind of rolling into February and I'm already thinking, pinks and tones. So I only bought the pink one because I'm going to show you this other pack that's, I think, a little bit better. But if you wanted these, they have these as well. They are the Jot transparent sticky notes in 100, and they have this beautiful pink, this blue, and then this was a fun color. Very neat. I knew I wanted to pick this up because the rest of them are like your typical color palette, like primary colors, rainbow colors. But this one was like a plum mauve color, very neutral. So these you have to use, from what I've seen, that you use like a felt tip marker, permanent marker. Let me know if you know if because I haven't used these too much, but what I can gather is that you use more of a Sharpie, some felt tip marker, fine tip, But if you know some pens that work really well with these transparent sticky notes, let me know. So they have these. Again, they have other colors, but I think what's another option, so you don't have to buy each individual color, is that they had these. So hopefully you can find these. These are 50 transparent sticky notes, but you get more than one color. So you get yellow and green, purple and blue, and orange and pink. These are the only ones that I could find. I'll put in a photo if you're interested. So what I'm thinking is I was going to write out scripture and either do some layering with white paper so that these could pop more, or I did buy some index cards. Not only did I buy these for this project, but I also bought them for my scripture cards for February. I don't know how long I'll do this for, but I have started this scripture writing plan every month. So I did buy a pack so I could use them for that, for my scripture writing plans. I make a little ring kind of a thing. If you guys have been watching my videos, this is a pretty big pack. It is the lined. So anyways, I could take one of these circular ones and layer it over this, kind of make like a nice collage, if you will. Just something fun, nothing too complicated. This project is supposed to be easy and fun and quick for me. I don't have all the time in the world to spend a lot on this project. So, but I knew that when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I could use this for posting my scriptures, because I like to see them and read them. Like anytime I come to my office and I come to plan, or if I'm having a moment and I need to pray, like I will look at some of my favorite scriptures that I want to meditate on and put that on this board. So I hope that makes sense. Basically making yourself an inspiration prayer board or scripture board, something like that, whatever you want to call it. So you could take the index card and post them and then layer it with the transparent sticky notes. I think that would be really, really pretty. Or the square ones. And then they did have push pins. I don't know if I took a photo of the rest of these, but I really like this set because it was more colorful, and I think the other ones were just a basic silver or gold or something like that. But I really like this one. So I did pick up some push pins. Now this does come with some on the back, which is kind of neat. And then the rest of this is kind of random. I liked this sticky note here. My Dollar Tree doesn't really have a whole lot of a variety. I mean, I'm very blessed to find this, but like their list pads, there was like only 10. They were all different. I guess that's the most popular thing at my store or something, but I liked this one. It said keep growing, so I thought I would use this for faith, and I would use this more in the springtime because it has like a spring decorative vibe to it. But it says keep growing, so I just thought this would be nice for my basket for the spring, closer to March, to write and use for faith planning. So I saw this. And then they had binder clips. I love binder clips. They have these really cool ones. They had other colors. So they have like this marble effect. They have this pink and then this blue gray tone. It definitely pulls more gray, but I feel like it has like a blue tone to it. And I just love having binder clips, they're just handy. They're handy for, keeping your index cards together if you don't want to do them on a ring for like scripture plans. I use them to collect sticker sheets if I have like random sticker sheets everywhere, receipts for my purse. Like I just use them for everything. And I just really like the design, this marble design. They had other colors. And then I bought these Post-its, this color. So they have like purple and then this pistachio color, which is really pretty, and you get two for each color, which is nice. And it's the Post-it brand. So I have seen this before. Last time I bought a pack like this at Dollar Tree, it was like the red and green, and so of course I used that for Christmas. So when they have these, I'd like to pick them up because I think that's a great price, because these are really expensive at my Target. yeah, I just think this brand has gotten really pricey. So it's nice to find them at Dollar Tree for an affordable price, and you get a 4 count. So that is my little inspiration Dollar Tree haul. Again, I will share with you guys how this turns out. But yeah, I just thought I'd share this little idea in case you guys were interested in a little project like that. And I thought that would be fun. So thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for how this will turn out. And I will see you on my next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.